Why is baby's leg? So guys, I'm done folding the clothes. Madam is right there. I went yesterday to. Yesterday I went to go and make my nails.
Mom, I see.
Poch care. Ah. Yesterday I went to go and make my nails. I didn't have the spirit to vlog. I did a lot yesterday, but I didn't have the spirit to vlog it. Anyway, so I made my nails yesterday. I made my hair yesterday, just this one. Yesterday, what else did happen yesterday? I went to the bank and went for just small shopping. Yeah. And that's it yesterday. Well, I'm not in that spirit mood of vlogging nowadays, but anyway, I'll try and get back to it. So today I just folded this clothes and I don't know, I want to cook the ram. What is it? Nah. I want to make ram and sweet potato, because Irish potato now is good in Nigeria. So if you have Irish potato and tomato in your house, a big you are only odogu. You are only odogu times odogu, because those two things are pretty expensive in Nigeria right now. So I'm going to baking potato, but it's not Irish. I'm going to be using sweet potato. Hubby don't really like sweet potato, but he just have to chop it like that because I could not get Irish potato. Stop that. I could not get Irish. Mia, stop it. Don't say that. Okay, Mama will not say that, and you don't say that again. So I could not get Irish potato around our estate because yesterday, as I said earlier on, yesterday I went for little shopping. I went to go and buy some vegetables like fruits and the rest. So I did not see Irish potato. They said they're not more selling Irish potato again, that is so expensive to buy. So I just had to buy sweet potato like that. I mean, I'll just do it with the sauce, with the ram. Yeah, so I'll take you guys along with that. Any other thing that comes around, I'll take you guys along. Right now, to explain in videos what's going on is tiring. Like editing now for me is tiring. So if I talk, I'll show you guys what I am doing. And if I remember to talk, I talk. Please bear with me, guys. Maybe by time goes on, I will get back to our normal routine. But anyway, I got a request to do a Q&A, so I will do that. I'll do that Q&A as well. Who is that? Yeah. Alright, guys. 3 minutes. See you guys later. Yeah? Charging what? Yes, I'm listening now. Which cable is it from? The white cable that came with the. So what are the cable? Okay. Thank you. Close the door. Mosquito bite your leg. Sorry, close the door. What are you looking for in the fridge? The ice cream is not yet ready. Me, I can't off that your phone that is making noise there. Eh? Off it. Yeah, go and off it. Go, go, go. Get down. Leave this thing. Go, get down. It's not making noise. It's not making noise. Yeah, you put the phone. What about this? I have to take this out. This one to spoil. I don't want this one to spoil. After we fill the watermelon and the knife for watch this. What is it? I'll beat you now. I'm not talking to you. I'm not you. Not get you. How will I beat you now? How will I beat you now? You want to correct the garlic? No, don't worry. I'll do it. Don't worry. This is not. Don't worry. I'm doing the one you can touch. Or allow you to touch it. Yeah? This one you cannot touch it. This one has pepper. The pepper inside. You want to touch pepper? No? So, don't cry. You want your ice cream? Okay, I'll give you ice cream. Off it. Oh, why? Mona. Off it. Also. Why not that also? I'm make a dig. Why no ya? Mona, I think you off it. Yeah. Wait, I'm again, guy. See your own. This is Mama's one. Mama's one. See me as one. Mama's one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 for you. Now, black pepper inside one because she wants it spicy because she took off. You can't eat pepper. You can't eat it. Yeah. Have bread. She has got my bread. You open your own bread, you just like to open things. You don't just eat it like that. Okay? So guys, this is my own food. I'll eat it. And I noticed in this thing, it has some something inside. Hi guys, good morning. It's morning. It is morning. A brand new day. How you doing? So welcome to a new vlog. Might be a new vlog. No, it's a continuation. I think it's a continuation vlog from yesterday. I vlogged yesterday. There should be a continuation vlog from yesterday. So I was waking up from sleep. I just finished editing my hair video, which is right there. I'm about to upload that. Today is Saturday, so I have a video coming up on my hair channel today that is Saturday. I hope you check the video out as well. So I don't know what's happening today, but Hubby said he's gonna make breakfast for us, me and baby girl. So I'm gonna vlog that as well. He told me that, babe, I'll do breakfast for you guys. So let's see what he's gonna come up with. I hope you enjoyed this today. I don't know what if I'm going out today. I don't know. I was supposed to go meet or go see Simply Noni. I wanted to see her tomorrow, but I don't know, maybe I'll see her today. If I'm going, I'll take you guys along. Okay, Hubby just came inside now. So let's go to the kitchen and see. Babe, are you still doing the breakfast? Okay, thank you. Let's go see what he's gonna be cooking. But I need to brush my teeth. Okay, he's talking to his mom too. And madam is here. She's like, the girl knew they go sleep for her room. And she can't sleep in her room. She sleep in her room, she come outside. She sleep in her room, she come outside. I don't understand what is going on with this child. But anyway, think when she starts school, she go to sleep for her room because I need to be cuddling sometimes some kind of cuddle. You guys, you understand, right? Yeah. Anyway, see you guys later. Hi, Mom. Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm okay.
How is your health?
Sorry?
How is your health?
Not too bad.
Okay.
Oh, and you're out? Okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
You fine?
Yes, I'm fine. Okay, cool. Wait, what are you putting garlic pepper? Are you putting garlic pepper? No, I don't want garlic in my bread. Thank you very much.
You don't want?
No.
Are you what?
No, 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 no. Okay. That only
Yes. But let Mama brush hands first. Different from YouTube money.
is more or less?
More. So you want me come and join my video? Let's be doing Facebook together. Why now? Let's do interracial couple on Facebook. Okay, how we met, how life has been, being married to a Nigerian woman. What life is being married to a Nigerian woman? Is it fun? Is it chaos? Is it sweet? Is it sour? Which stress? Really they give you joy. Me that gives you joy, say it's stress. You're very fun. You want to see? Papa is cooking. You cannot see what Papa is cooking.
Sausage and
Yeah, Papa is making breakfast for us. What you say to Papa? Thank you. Yeah, let's go and brush out. first is I'm on my way. Let me show you guys my outfit. This clothes, the day I wore this clothes, it did not enter me. I did not do video that day I wore this clothes. Like previously, I think few months back, I wore this clothes, it did not enter me. So I was telling my husband that this clothes, I'm going to give it to a tailor to go and expand it for me so that it can enter me. But I'm surprised that the clothes enter me now. Like, I think I've lost weight. Anyway, let me show you guys how I look. Oh yeah, now carry your laptop and go out. Go and close that door for me. Then I'm taking this bag, then my black slippers, and that's it. Simple outfit, no makeup on. So let's go. So guys, see who we came to see. Lovely. She has oh Kuchala is she? Kuchala her hair. This is a surprise to me. She don't tell me she was doing this. Eh?